Hey adventurers, thrill seekers, and vloggers! Are you ready to capture your wildest escapades in stunning detail? Then you need an action camera that can keep up with your adrenaline-pumping lifestyle. But with so many options on the market, choosing the right one can feel like scaling Mount Everest in flip-flops. Fear not, intrepid explorers. I'm here to unveil the top 5 best action cameras of 2024. We'll be diving into their specs, features, and performance so you can find the perfect camera to document your next epic adventure. You can buy these action camera from the links that are given in the description below. Let's start the countdown. 5. DJI Osmo Action 4. Like its predecessor, the Action 4 is designed to compete with the latest GoPro. To that end, it addresses the Action 3's main flaw with a larger 3-inch sensor. Stills resolution is lower at 10MP, while video res remains the same at up to 4K/120p. The key difference is pixel size. From our tests, the Action 4 is better at gathering light, improving quality, and faring better than the Hero 12 Black in dim conditions. The Action 4 also benefits from DJI's D-Log profile with 10-bit color. Based on our review, this dramatically enhances color depth and dynamic range, capturing detailed highlights and cleaner shadows. The downside of the larger sensor and wide 155-degree lens is an increased minimum focus distance, making it harder to shoot up close. Outright performance is also throttled slightly by the microSD memory. This camera strikes a sweet balance between affordability and performance. It pumps out crisp 4K video with DJI's rock-steady stabilization, keeping your footage buttery smooth even when you're hurling down a mountain bike trail. The Osmo Action 4 also shines in low-light conditions thanks to its larger sensor, making it ideal for capturing those epic sunrise hikes or late-night city explorations. And like the Insta360 Ace, it's built to take a beating, being waterproof up to 60 meters without a case. Elsewhere, features remain mostly the same as the Action 3, already one of our favorite action cameras. It retains the same small but rugged build, removable battery, and versatile magnetic mounting system that we liked so much the first time. Waterproofing is boosted to an even more impressive 18 meters without a case, making it a winner for water sports. 4. Insta360 1R 1-inch edition. Already a proven rival to GoPro's Hero series, the modular Insta360 1R is now available with a sizable 1-inch sensor. In our review, we found that this gives it low light abilities, which are brighter, cleaner, and more detailed than its GoPro rivals, plus a native dynamic range that's better than any other action camera. Its raw stills are impressive, while videos are sharp and punchy in both 5.23K/25p and 4K/60p modes. That said, we also found that GoPro's processing powers are more effective overall, with video from the Insta360 1R suffering from shimmer and fizz in detailed areas. The 1R also lacks the point-and-shoot simplicity of a GoPro, with more sluggish software when it comes to exporting. All the same, the Insta360 1R produces some of the best stills and video you can get from an action camera. Its 1-inch sensor also handles the crop of image stabilization better than most. A flexible 5K camera with solid low-light skills, the Insta360 1R is one of the best action cams around. 3. Insta360 Ace Pro. A wide-angle warrior, the Insta360 Ace Pro is the first action cam to offer 8K video output. That resolution will be overkill for many, as will the 48MP stills it can produce and the high price tag it demands. But if you want rugged 8K recording, the Ace Pro is the way to go. Physically, our review found the Ace Pro nicely built. It's heftier than its competitors, hitting the scales at 179.8 grams, which makes it feel substantial in the hand. We also rate its flip-up display, which hinges at the top to deliver a selfie experience that's more responsive than GoPro and DJI rivals. Mounting options are plentiful too, with a magnetic base plate for quick switching. As you'd expect of a sensor co-engineered with Leica, image quality is superb. Our tests found results across all resolutions to be excellent, with good clarity, punchy colors, and solid noise handling in low light, aided by AI processing. Active HDR does pretty well at balancing high contrast lighting, while flow state and horizon lock stabilization are proven performers. Professional filmmakers might wish for log capture and higher 8K frame rates, but this is still a mighty impressive action camera. 2. Aaso Brave 7 LE. The Aaso Brave 7 LE offers an incredible range of features for its price. If a front-facing screen and weather sealing are more important to you than outright video quality, then it should certainly be high on your shortlist. In our tests, this model's audio quality was better than any other non-GoPro we've reviewed in quieter environments anyway, and it has a fantastically intuitive touchscreen interface. The only slight downer is that the video quality, while decent at 4K resolution, doesn't quite match the rest of the Brave 7 LE's features. It leans heavily on noise reduction in lower light, giving your footage a soft quality, while the electronic image stabilization is decent rather than class-leading. Still, for the price, it's undoubtedly one of the best action cams out there, and unrivaled in terms of the amount of features it packs in for the price. 1. GoPro Hero 12 Black. GoPro's updated flagship isn't a huge departure from the GoPro Hero 11 Black, our previous favorite action camera. It uses the same 1:9 in sensor to shoot high-res 5.3K video with an 8:9 aspect ratio that's useful for exporting footage to fit different social channels without sacrificing quality. Low light remains an Achilles heel, but the addition of HDR video and GP log support gives filmmakers the ability to capture even greater dynamic range. Together with the returning 10-bit color mode, we found the Hero 12 Black capable of producing crisp, super smooth footage in bright conditions. Besides a speckled casing, the physical design is essentially identical. This means the Hero 12 Black works with the same accessories as many previous GoPro models. It also gains a useful 1/4 in thread mount for mini tripods. It captures stunning 5.3K 120 fps video, boasts the game-changing hypersmooth 5.0 stabilization, and even shoots impressive 1080p 240 fps footage for super slow motion magic. Its new square sensor unlocks creative possibilities for social media, and its improved low-light performance makes it shine in any lighting conditions. Whether you're shredding the gnar or scaling a mountain, the Hero 12 Black guarantees you'll document your adventures in unforgettable detail. Battery life from the default Enduro battery proved mediocre in our review, but Bluetooth audio support is a welcome addition, meaning you don't need to buy the media mod to upgrade the built-in audio. While these modest upgrades don't justify switching from the Hero 11 Black, they do make the Hero 12 Black an even more polished, feature-packed, yet user-friendly action camera. So, there you have it, folks. The top 5 best action cameras of 2024. From 360-degree wonderlands to pocket-sized powerhouses, there's a camera out there to perfectly capture your next adventure. Remember, the best camera is the one you have with you. So get out there, explore, and create memories that will last a lifetime. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tech adventures.